What you got in here?
2 Sundown UV215s with a JP83. Whenever this loads.
Everything looking good in here, man. You still got it in one piece.
Somewhat, you know, missing pieces.
Oh yeah, it's getting there, and it's getting there.
Had to put different screws in, you know.
And it kept coming. You got the deadener up there.
Oh yeah, I had to. The roof was starting to cave in.
Oh yeah. At least you don't have to worry about the sunroof and nothing like this. So.
I know. I'm glad it doesn't have one. Whenever this loads. And I got AC.
Oh yeah.
Death of me. Somebody know you when I do post it.
Here. I'll add you real quick.
BASSWITHKEV.
What is it?
BASSWITHKEV. BASSWI.
Oh.
You can put that. Yeah, you can try that one. That'll work too. I got 2 pages. KEV.
Oh, BASSWITHKEV. All right.
Yeah, I know the service bad out here, so.
I know.
Yeah,
I'll save it. There we go.
Yeah, that'll work. Man, where'd you get this knob right here made at? That's a nice looking.
Coventry. It's for I have an internal regulator.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so it's got little internal diodes and all that.
Okay, that's what that is then.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know what it was.
Yeah, and that's a Bluetooth bass knob, so.
Okay, so you're using the Bluetooth function right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
It worked pretty good, didn't it?
So like, I mean, it can turn the amp off.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
You know, the whole time I knew they had the Bluetooth, but I didn't know you could turn the amp off with it.
It tells you the temperature, and then the voltage.
And that's the 83?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Can you run a cord to it if you want to, or is it all Bluetooth?
Well, if I unplug it, it turns off.
Oh, okay. So you can move it around however you want to.
Yeah, I can actually hook it up USB-C with my phone and power it.
Oh, okay, so you can
walk around and all that. Yeah.
Also, it'll serve as a wireless deal.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good then.
Yeah. I just have it plugged in right now. This gets me to where I can compete and stand far enough away.
Yeah, and get away from the deal.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. I didn't know that, man. I learned something new today. All this time these amps been out and I didn't even know that. Y'all be sure to tag them in the video, guys. I'm be sure you see. I hope I see you back at another show. You going to Sundown or anywhere like that?
No, next show I'll be going to will be up in Illinois next Sunday. It's a Mecca show.
Okay. I know we went to Illinois like a couple months ago. First time. We should go back. So hopefully we'll see you there.
Yeah.
All right. See. Good seeing you, bro.
See you, man.